Hey guys, so diving straight into it. As usual, I'm starting on freshly washed hair. For my leave-in, I'm using the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil leave-in conditioner, which is one of my favorites. So I'm just going around adding a generous amount onto each section, and I just rake this through all 4 sections until all my hair is covered. So once all sections are moisturised with the leave-in conditioner, I go ahead and part my hair in half, tie up one side out of the way so that I can do the parts for one side. The partings on this style is probably the hardest part. I find it so hard to get the parting straight and equal on both sides, but I didn't think I did too bad this time, so they're pretty equal. So yeah, just split it in half and then again split that section in half so that you've got 2 twists on each side. I then detangle that one section. Then for another layer of moisture, I use the Jamaican Black Castor Oil styling lotion. Then to seal in the moisture, I just use pure Jamaican Black Castor Oil. Then just rake that through, make sure it's all over my hair, including the roots. Then to slick the edges, I'm using my favorite edge control, which is the Mielle Organics Edge Control. And then just brush that down and slick that all over. Then I just start to flat twist. I flat twist upwards, so the twist is going towards the center parting. I've done this style where the twists go down and I didn't like it. So I think twists always look better when you twist towards the center of your head. So I just twist all the way back until I get to the end. And then the same for the next section, so make sure it's all detangled, add the styling lotion, add the Jamaican Black Castor Oil, make sure that's all combed through and evenly distributed, then add the edge control around the perimeter of that section, and then just go ahead and flat twist.
Nostalgia?
Then once I've done all 4 twists, I just slit down some baby hairs, tie it down with a satin scarf for about 10 minutes. When I say 10 minutes, I mean about an hour once I've stuffed my face with food and watched about 10 YouTube videos. But we're just going to call it 10 minutes for the sake of the video. Then once that's been left to sit under the scarf for a while, I take it off and then put 2 twists on each side into one ponytail and then unravel the twists. Then to make the bun, all I do is loop the ponytail around again, but I just make sure that the ends don't go all the way through, so it creates like a little loop bun. And then I do that on both sides, and that is the style done. I hope you like the style. Let me know what you think. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you on my next one. Bye.